So how do you go from this to this? This is the original mini statue and I blew it up to life size. This is how I did it. So the website is 3dspartanshop.com, listed as TMNT Donatello defeated statue. I'll type it out in the description also. But what size is life size and how do you know what size to put them? Based on the events when they were all defeated with this scene in particular, it should be around this volume 5 of Ninja Turtles, correct me if I'm wrong, which puts Donatello at around 5 foot 6 inches. Now ask ChatGPT to give me body dimensions of someone who is 5 foot 6 inches tall, please. And I found the simplest thing to go with is the hand, and we'll just use 7 inches from wrist to the tip of the finger. Now remember, this is about a 12-inch model, and luckily it's already cut into pieces, which will make it easier, but depending on your printer size will determine if you need to cut it more after we blow it up. So now that we have the hand in the slicer, we're gonna have to figure out how much we have to scale it up to. Converting inches into millimeters because by default the slicer is set that way. So we get 177.8. So from wrist to fingertip is going to be the z-axis. Put 177.8 and make sure it's a uniform scale. After that, now you know the percentage of what to scale each piece you print. So in this case, it's going to be 868.01%, and you're going to use that for every piece you cut and scale up. And that's it.